Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to break down 5 to 6 AI tools that you can incorporate in your everyday life that will blow your mind. So let's get into it. So the first one I'm going to mention is OpenAI Agent Builder. OpenAI Agent Builder allows you to create intelligent AI systems that can take actions, make decisions, call API, and automate real business workflows, not just respond to a chat. Think about generating your own new teammate. It does almost everything a teammate that you hire can do. Let's take a look. So here I'm in the OpenAI platform. So if you search here, OpenAI agents, you can clearly see. So here we click Agent Builder, OpenAI, OpenAI Agent Builder. It takes you to the page here, and then you can create the agent workflow. You start off with Start and My Agent button, and I'll show you how to modify it. So here I have modified the final solution. I'll walk you through it. This video is meant for general overview. So usually start off with one start button and an agent. So here I left start button as input as text. Classifier is where I define what a user might type. I want my user to type in whether they're traveling to Canada or USA. I'm building an agent workflow that helps you decide a USA itinerary or Canadian itinerary. American itinerary is based on a lot of the tourist destinations that are based on hot climate. Canadian destination is based on spas. So here the classifier classifies if the user typed Canada or USA. Then I added a if else prompt. If the user is USA, then go to USA itinerary agent. Else, user will be Canada, it will go to Canadian itinerary agent. What does each itinerary have? So with the itinerary, I define how my agent behaves. You are a travel assistant, so build a concise itinerary for USA travels, hot climates that are tropical, and I'm using GPT 4.1. And same with Canadian here, we have this one. So now that I've defined this, what is like the purpose of building all these agent workflows? So basically, it builds multi-step AI workflows visually. AI can call real APIs and tools, supports decision-making, can read structured data. I can do this from databases as well. Right now, I'm doing it with agents only. OpenAI agents can also automate customer support tasks, can generate reports automatically, can qualify and route your leads from sales, supports versioning and publishing, can be embedded into products, enables AI employees instead of just the simple chatbot. So that was the summary of what this can do. This is very basic. Like I mentioned, you can integrate this with databases, CRM if you're a more advanced software developer. So now let's test this workflow. How does it work? This is a new preview button. Before it was here, now they moved it here. So on the left side of the panel, you can see it previews your agent. So here I'm going to type in Canada, and I want to go to Nova Scotia. That's all I type in, and my agent is thinking. As you can see, it's using my if-else statements. It's routing it to Canadian itinerary agent. It's coming up with all the spas that I am looking for. And you can see it's telling me in Nova Scotia what spas are good to go to. Wolfville, wine country and vineyard spas. Morning drive to Wolfville, 1 hour from Halifax. Visit Sensi Nordic Spa, afternoon here. So it's telling you the places that are nearby. And it's telling you where to even have dinner. This is amazing. Not all ChatGPT answers can be this precise and clean, so definitely these workflow helps. So now let's test. I've been recently to Miami. So let's see here, USA, Miami. It's thinking again. It's using my false logic, sorry. It's using my false logic. It's telling you 4-day tropical itinerary, South Beach and Art Deco, Everglades Adventure and Little Havana, Coconut Grove and Coral Gables. I stayed at Coral Gables. Island Escape and Wynwood Arts, boat tour to Key Biscayne or visit Grandin Park Beach, explore Wynwood Wall Street Art and Galleries, enjoy trendy food halls or breweries in Wynwood. So this is pretty good. So all in all, you can also publish your agent. You can see that you can name the new agent. I can publish it. And you can kind of integrate this with the workflow ID, and now everything else is a little bit more complex. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. So all in all, OpenAI Agent Builder replaces employees who are sitting down replying with the chatbot, who are doing simple tasks that can now be automated basically. And that involves, for example, customer support agent, like I mentioned, reads order questions, checks the database, sends response, escalates if needed. So in this case, I can have databases full of responses and refer to that, and this will automatically reply. And it's intelligent enough on how to use the database responses and integrate it with the smart AI. It's not just a database hard-coded logic that it's going to reply. It's going to think and reply now. So that's why customer support agents can easily be replaced. Marketing agent analyzes the campaign data, suggests improvement, generates email content. So marketing agents could now be replaced with these OpenAI agents. Sales qualification agent. So now you can clearly see I have done the entire itinerary that the tour guides used to do back in the day. So sales qualification agent, it can easily help me score new leads, routes to the sale, and it can send personalized outreach, etc., to each client who are looking at the website. So tour guides are going to be replaced easily with these agents, OpenAI agents. So hopefully that makes sense. Now let's dive on to topic number 2.